Car washing was a big trouble for many people. It is time-consuming, labor-consuming, and it cost money. Actually, that is not true once you have Norshire at hand. Norshire may be the world's first smart multifunctional car washing kit, making car washing easy, fast, and free of charge. The water source could be directly from a water bottle or external sources such as our foldable water bucket. It takes only 15 seconds to set up and 10 minutes to complete the car washing, saving 80% of the time. The cleaning process is neat and easy without making a mess. Norshire is very compact in size, but can be kept in the trunk for everyday use. No matter how wild your trip is, your car will always remain tidy. Norshire requires no external power. Get fully charged within 3 hours through USB charging port. Norshire could serve as a portable jump starter. It's also a power bank for your outdoor usage. It can also be used as a warning sign. Norshire has 3 preset modes for various situations. You can easily switch from the water spray gun to spray brush. Not just for the car washing. Norshire, one kit for every car owner.
Introducing the Waylens Secure 360 4G, a breakthrough in automotive security. This innovative system utilizes dashcam features while you're driving and activates advanced security sensors when parked. With an amazing single lens, Secure 360 produces a true 360-degree field of view, capturing everything going on inside and outside your vehicle. So here's how it works. Secure 360 actively scans the perimeter of your vehicle using a suite of advanced low-power sensors. When motion or impact is detected, the camera will immediately record video to the micro SD card. High-speed 4G data delivers real-time alerts and live streaming through the Secure 360 mobile app, so you'll see the full story as it unfolds. Automatic uploading of the event video to the cloud keeps evidence secure, even if the camera is stolen or disabled. The Secure 360 is designed for any vehicle and every driver, from the daily commuter, rideshare services, or families with young drivers. With the Secure 360, you can document an accident, locate your car quickly with a GPS map, preserve your driving record, or catch a thief in the act. So even if this happens, you'll have evidence to provide authorities and your insurance company. Protect your vehicle with the Waylens Secure 360.
All you need is a Foam Master cleaning sprayer, the perfect all-around tool for cleaning, degreasing, and disinfecting your vehicle. Its even distribution of foam ensures the most controlled, scratch-free wash possible. Putting your cleaning sprayer together is a breeze. Simply pour the cleaning solution into the easy-to-fill mouth of the tank. Next, connect the tank to the sprayer and the nozzle to the hose. Finish by attaching the sprayer to the nozzle. To choose how much solution you want to release, adjust the dial setting. Turn the dial to A to release the lowest concentration of cleaning solution. For the highest concentration, turn the dial to E. Once you're set, you can start cleaning. To rinse, simply disconnect the sprayer and tank before you spray. Taking care of jobs the clean and easy way? That's a better day.
This quick start guide will help you get your Rovi camera installed, powered up, and ready to use. Insert a Class 10 micro SD card with up to 64 gigabytes of storage. Micro SD card sold separately. Slide the camera into the magnetic mount. Before removing the red backing tape, determine optimal camera placement. Clean your window and remove backing tape to install the mount. Press firmly for several seconds to assure a solid bond. To adjust camera angle, press the button and move the camera either up or down. The mount also rotates 360 degrees, allowing you to select any view you want, interior, exterior, or off to the side. Attach the magnetic GPS antenna to the side of the mount. Plug the power cord into the camera and feed the cord into the headliner, across the top of the windshield, and out of the field of vision. Plug in the 12-volt power adapter. You're now ready to power up and start using your Rovi dash camera. For more detailed instructions, refer to your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.